Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Heather, and today we'll be exploring the best small kitchen ideas. Get ready for some fantastic designs that maximize space and functionality. Let's dive in and see how you can make the most of your kitchen. This small kitchen is a fantastic blend of style and functionality. I love the navy blue cabinets paired with the warm wooden countertops. It creates a cozy yet modern vibe. The white herringbone backsplash adds texture and makes the space feel bigger. The farmhouse sink is a charming touch, and the clock adds a vintage feel. The floor tiles with geometric patterns are a bold choice that works well. If I were to change anything, I'd add under cabinet lighting to enhance the workspace. I really appreciate the classic elegance of this kitchen. The rich, dark wood cabinets give a warm and luxurious feel, perfectly complemented by the granite countertops. The stainless steel appliances blend seamlessly, adding a modern touch. The potted plant brings a bit of nature indoors, which I love for its fresh, inviting vibe. However, I'd add some under cabinet lighting to brighten up the workspace and possibly incorporate a lighter backsplash to contrast with the dark cabinetry, making the kitchen feel more open. This kitchen is a perfect mix of modern and farmhouse styles. I love the white shaker cabinets paired with the black hardware. It's a timeless look. The subway tile backsplash adds a classic touch and complements the clean lines of the cabinetry. The marble countertop on the island is stunning and practical for meal prep. The black appliances contrast beautifully with the white elements, adding depth to the space. The checkered rug is a fun and unexpected pop of pattern that ties everything together. If I could change anything, I'd add a few more pops of color, perhaps with accessories or a colorful backsplash, to add some vibrancy. I love the clean and bright feel of this kitchen. The white cabinets and subway tile backsplash create a fresh and airy atmosphere. The stainless steel appliances add a modern touch and blend seamlessly with the overall design. The farmhouse sink is a charming and practical choice, providing plenty of space for washing dishes. The wooden floors bring warmth to the space, balancing the white and stainless steel elements. The open shelving is a great spot for displaying plants and kitchen essentials. If I could make one change, I'd add under cabinet lighting to improve visibility on the countertops and create a cozy ambiance in the evenings. This kitchen has a lovely farmhouse charm that I adore. The white cabinets with detailed molding add a touch of elegance and sophistication. The stainless steel appliances, including the farmhouse sink, provide a modern contrast while maintaining a cohesive look. The open shelving is perfect for displaying decorative items and kitchen essentials, giving the space a personal touch. The light fixture is a statement piece that adds character and warmth. The distressed wood flooring complements the overall design beautifully. If I could improve anything, I'd add a pop of color with some colorful decor or a vibrant backsplash to break up the white and add more visual interest. I love the warm and inviting feel of this kitchen. The wooden cabinets have a rich, classic look that adds depth to the space. The granite countertops are beautiful and provide ample workspace for meal prep. The stainless steel appliances add a modern touch and complement the wood tones nicely. The welcome sign at the sink adds a charming personal touch that makes the space feel homely. The arched doorway leading to the dining area is a lovely architectural detail. If I were to change anything, I'd add some under cabinet lighting to brighten up the workspace and consider a lighter backsplash to create more contrast with the dark cabinets. This kitchen has a bright and airy feel that I absolutely love. The white cabinets and subway tile backsplash create a clean, modern look. The dark wood floors add warmth and contrast beautifully with the white elements. The runner rug brings a cozy texture to the space and adds a bit of color. The stainless steel appliances are sleek and functional. If I could make any improvements, I'd add some pendant lighting above the counter area to enhance the ambiance and provide better task lighting. I adore the cozy, rustic charm of this farmhouse kitchen. The white cabinets create a bright and inviting atmosphere, while the black hardware adds a striking contrast. The large farmhouse sink under the window is both practical and aesthetically pleasing, allowing plenty of natural light to flood the space. The wooden island is a beautiful centerpiece, providing additional prep space and a warm, rustic touch. The farmhouse sign above the window ties the whole theme together perfectly. I love the decorative wreaths and the chandelier light fixture, which add a touch of elegance. If I could change anything, I'd opt for a slightly larger island to provide more workspace and storage. I love the sleek, modern look of this kitchen. The all-white cabinetry and countertops create a clean, minimalist aesthetic that feels open and airy. The trio of pendant lights above the island provides excellent task lighting and adds a stylish touch. The mosaic tile backsplash adds texture and visual interest without overwhelming the space. The black appliances offer a nice contrast and blend seamlessly with the design. The bar stools with white X-back chairs are both practical and visually appealing. If I could change anything, I'd incorporate a touch of color, perhaps with some decorative items or a colorful vase to add a bit of personality and warmth to the space. I appreciate the cozy, rustic charm of this kitchen. The soft gray cabinets and light wood countertops create a soothing, natural look. The wooden island top is a lovely touch, adding warmth and texture to the space. The open shelving is perfect for displaying plants and decorative items, bringing a bit of personality and greenery into the kitchen. The stainless steel appliances and range hood add a modern contrast that works well with the rustic elements. The pendant lights above the island are both functional and stylish. If I could make one improvement, I'd add a colorful backsplash to add visual interest and break up the neutral tones, giving the kitchen a more vibrant feel. This kitchen has a warm and inviting farmhouse vibe that I really enjoy. The light gray cabinets paired with the butcher block countertop on the island create a cozy and functional workspace. The stainless steel appliances add a modern touch and blend nicely with the rustic elements. I love the large window above the sink, which brings in plenty of natural light and offers a great view. The bar stools are a practical addition, making the island a perfect spot for casual dining or prep work. The decorative vase and candle on the island add a personal touch. If I could change anything, I'd add a colorful backsplash to create a focal point and add some visual interest. I love the bold, contrasting elements in this kitchen. The dark island with its butcher block countertop makes a striking statement against the lighter cabinetry and backsplash. The glass front cabinets are a beautiful way to display dishes and add an open feel to the space. The subway tile backsplash is classic and complements the modern industrial light fixtures above the island. The slate flooring adds texture and a touch of rustic charm. The large hood above the stove is both functional and a design focal point. If I could change anything, I'd add some under cabinet lighting to enhance visibility on the countertops and bring warmth to the overall look. I appreciate the sleek, modern design of this kitchen. The glossy gray cabinets create a contemporary look and reflect light, making the space feel larger. The integrated appliances and clean lines enhance the minimalist aesthetic. The central island is practical for both food prep and casual dining, and I love the stylish, upholstered bar stools that add a touch of elegance. The stainless steel range hood and appliances complement the overall design nicely. The light wood flooring provides warmth and contrast to the gray tones. If I could make one change, I'd add a splash of color with a vibrant backsplash or some decorative accessories to bring more personality to the space. I adore the charming and cozy feel of this kitchen. The white cabinetry and marble countertops create a bright, clean look that feels timeless. The small island in the center is perfect for additional prep space and storage, and I love the cute hooks for hanging kitchen towels and aprons. The stainless steel appliances blend seamlessly and add a modern touch. The rustic bar stools at the breakfast bar provide a lovely contrast to the sleek surfaces. The small decorative touches like the La Familia sign and the vintage bread box add personality and warmth. If I could change anything, I'd add a colorful rug to bring some warmth and a pop of color to the floor. I'm in love with the dramatic elegance of this kitchen. The dark cabinetry paired with the marble countertops and backsplash creates a luxurious and sophisticated look. The large, ornate range hood is a stunning focal point that adds character and depth. The brass hardware and fixtures bring a touch of warmth and refinement to the space. The vintage rug adds a cozy, lived-in feel and complements the dark tones beautifully. If I could change anything, I'd ensure there's plenty of task lighting under the cabinets to enhance functionality and maintain the ambiance. Thank you for joining me as we explored some stunning small kitchen designs. I hope these ideas have inspired you to make the most of your space with style and functionality. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share for more design tips. Happy decorating!